Are you struggling to see nearby people on Telegram? You're not alone. Many users face this issue due to settings and connectivity. First, ensure your location services are enabled. Sometimes, the app can't access your location, leading to this problem. Next, check your Telegram app permissions. Go to Settings and ensure it's allowed to access your location. If the permissions look good, restart your Telegram app. This can refresh the connection and fix minor glitches. Finally, ensure your internet connection is stable. Weak or intermittent connections often cause visibility issues in apps. By following these steps, you should be able to see your nearby Telegram users again. Stay connected. If you're still experiencing issues, consider updating your Telegram app. New updates often include important fixes. Additionally, check Telegram's support page for known issues or further troubleshooting steps. Join online forums or communities to discuss your experiences. User-generated solutions can sometimes be the fastest fix. Don't forget to share your tips with friends. Helping each other enhances everyone's Telegram experience. And remember, keeping your app updated is crucial for the best performance. Happy chatting! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.